guys, today's video is going to be a haul. I went sourcing over the weekend. It's Monday morning. We got a snowstorm yesterday. It's fresh after the storm. Beautifulness outside. I'm gonna start off with a doozy. My husband found these. These are Levi's Silver Tab jeans. Vintage. Yayos. No size though. I have to measure them. I was super stoked that he found these, and I went to photograph them last night and realized that they're hemmed. So yeah, that's not coming out. That's like a sewn in hem, like really not coming out. So I don't know if I should make these into shorts. I mean, they're definitely men's. I would say they're like a 34 waist, maybe 32, 34 waist. I mean, they're kind of big. So I don't know, or maybe I should just keep them as is. I haven't measured the inseam yet, so I don't even know what the inseam is, but yeah, super bomb. I don't know what to do about these. I mean, they're in excellent condition otherwise. I mean, I could wow, this is a shitty hem job too. Hem job. Yeah, I could try. Maybe I could. Maybe that'll be a project for a snowy day. Okay, next thing I found is this really pretty North Face jacket. It says size extra large, but it definitely fits like a large. I love the color. This is in excellent condition, and it's got like a really soft like fleecy almost material on the inside. I don't know what these jackets are called, but it's super pretty. I love the color. Again, it's an extra large, but fits more like a large. Super bummed about this. I found this Nike jacket. I actually have one just like it. It was my son's jacket, but he grew out of it. Guys, he is 6'3" now. Like, it's insane. Like, and the kid's not done growing yet because he's only 17. So how tall is he gonna be? I don't know. I have one of his old jackets. It's kind of like this. And I love it. It's like super comfortable. And I found this one. I'm like, oh my gosh, yes. This one's a little bit different. It's got a swoosh on the arm. But then I noticed this freaking, hello, can you see my eyeball? You see this gigantic hole right here? Ugh, shitty. Again, Vanessa, you need to look at shit before you leave the thrift store with it. I know. I mean, I could try to sew it, I guess. I mean, I would still wear this with the big hole in it. I mean, it's in like a spot. Shit, my battery light's flashing. I thought for sure I charged my friggin' batteries. I'm just a mess today. So yeah, so I don't know what to do about this. I mean, I love this jacket. It's like really nice. Maybe I'll just keep it for myself. And I don't know. All right, I need to switch batteries. Hold on. Next. So I have a lot of Victoria's Secret pink stuff. I know you guys probably don't like to see it, but it sells for me, especially like the bigger sizes. I think this one's a large. Yes, this is a large. Just a red sweatshirt. Found this Vans hoodie. This is a size small. It's cropped, really cute. It's got like, I don't know, like short sleeves and then like longer sleeves. I don't know. It's cute. Yeah, this is small. It definitely fits more like a medium, and I just noticed a friggin' stain on the back. Oh, it's not that noticeable. Vanessa, your eyeballs, use them. I got this because it was super cheap. This is just a Roxy sweatshirt. It says extra large, but definitely fits more like a large. I don't know, I thought it was cute. Again, 17-year-old Vanessa would love this. I found this Patagonia jacket, size small. It's just a lightweight fleece jacket. It's not their chinchilla, but still really nice. This is cute. This is a Champion Sherpa hoodie. It says size small, but definitely fits like a medium. Super soft. It's got like a rubber Champion logo on the side. Really cute. This I just picked up because of the colors and because it was like a fleecy material. It's by Lee, or Riders by Lee, which I know is like a, you know, cheap ass brand, but I don't know. I thought someone might like this for like Christmas. It's super soft and it's Christmassy colors. It's just a large button-down shirt. I do such a great job showing you guys shit. We got some denim. This is Pilcro in the letterpress. These are high-rise bootcut jeans, size 25. I don't usually pick up Pilcro in the letterpress anymore just because it doesn't really sell well for me. So I thought these were cute though, with like the pockets, and then the bottoms are adorable. This says boot cut, but these look like flare to me. I don't know, but I thought those buttons were adorable. It's also the same button up top there. Found some Stella McCartney Adidas collaboration leggings. Floral on the side. We got pink on the front, orange on the back. These are a size large. I like how they're like tapered at the bottom. Is that what you'd call it? Tapered? Yeah, sure. I don't know. Cuffed? I don't know. I was super stoked when I saw these words and then not so much the letters next to it. But this is Alexander Wang. It's an H&M collaboration. They're leggings. They are a size 4. They're really nice. Found this t-shirt. This says large, but it fits more like a medium, like a men's medium. Boys in the Hood. Comment down below if you've seen that movie. Found 2 pairs of Lulu pants and I forgot to list them. I haven't listed them because I have to look up the style names. By the way, I sourced 61 things. I'm not going to show you 61 things in this video. I sourced them yesterday. We got home at like 1 o'clock and everything was listed, all 61 things, by 10:30 at night. No excuses, just do it. Okay, so found these Lulu pants. They're size 4. They're kind of like they're like a legging material on the back and like a wind pant material almost on the front. And they cinch at the bottom. I need to look up what style these are. Are they like the dance pants? The dance pants, maybe? I don't know. I'm just making that up. I don't know. Lily Pulitzer pants. Pulitzer. Apparently these are vintage. They're a size 8, but they're just jeans with freaking martini glasses all over them. Lily Pulitzer prints are so hideous, but someone will love these. I got these North Face pants. They're a size large. They're just comfy, cozy, brown fleece, wide leg pants. Here are the other Lulus. I think these are reversible because, yeah, they've got the logo on the inside. These are a size 8. I think these are the Groove pants. Do they make Groove reversible pants? I think they do. Guys, my hair, I just need to chop it off. Should I chop it? No, I want it longer, but I just need to. American Eagle, these are mom jeans, size 4. Super distressed. We even got like distressing on the sides and the back. Like, what? These American Eagle jeans, these are the Tom Girl jeans, also a size 4. Again, pretty distressed. Not as distressed as the mom jeans though. Found these Sam Edelman leggings. I've never purchased Sam Edelman clothing. No, I haven't. These are a size large. They're just like a rose gold color. And then they've got like mesh on the bottom. They're cute. AG jeans. These are the leggings super skinny, size 29. I love me some AG jeans. I'm actually wearing a pair right now. And these ones are the stilt, like the cigarette jeans. These say size, hold up. Yeah, these say 26. That waist looks a little bit bigger than a 26 though. I'm gonna have to measure. But yeah, love AG jeans, love them. Champion joggers, they're size medium, really pretty color. You got Champion logo down the side. Super cute. More American Eagle jeans. I got these because they're a bigger size. These are just their jegging jeans. These are a size 12. They are in excellent condition and the price is right, so I got them. Bowden sweatshirt. This is a size large. I thought the color was pretty. I don't really pick up Bowden stuff anymore unless it's like a crazy print. This isn't too crazy, but I've never picked up like Bowden athletic wear, I guess. I don't know. It's like a cowl neck. Again, really pretty color. Found this Sims snowboarding jacket. Sims is like an older brand. So old that Poshmark didn't have it as an option as one of their brands, which was weird. The size medium. It's a really pretty blue color. I just noticed actually it's missing a button on the back. Or like a, hold on. See how this has that button? It's just missing that on the back. Like it still has the button. It just doesn't have the little logo thing. But otherwise in excellent condition. Like I don't know why this jacket was so cheap because of that missing button. Like there's nothing wrong with it and it's such a pretty color. I found lots of URI stuff. University of Rhode Island. I'm not going to show you everything. I'll just show you this one. I thought this was cute. Just a little crew neck. But yeah, somebody definitely donated all their URI apparel for sure. Okay, Victoria's Secret pink. Guys, if you can get the sequin stuff, get the sequin stuff because it sells. Yeah, this is super cute. There is a small stain on the front. It's not really noticeable, but yeah, it's got the sequins on the sleeve and on the back. This will sell probably on Mercari. I sell like all of my Victoria's Secret pink sequin stuff on Mercari for some reason. Disney jean jacket. Disney stuff also sells really well for me on Mercari. It's a size extra large. It says extra large, but it's definitely more like a large. How do I show it? There we go. We got Mickey right there. And then the arms are like a sweatshirt material. I don't know. I thought it was cute. Champion sweatshirt. It says size large. It fits more like a medium, if I can show it. It's got like a mesh hood. And then looks like that. This LL Bean vest. I love this color. I might keep it. What was that? I thought I just saw someone walk up our driveway. Well, my camera didn't go off, so. Anyway, this is a size medium. I love this color. I might keep it for myself. Like I don't really wear vests, so actually I could wear it with this. Should I wear it? Should I put it on right now? I might actually. This is an Express little hoodie. I don't know. I thought it was cute. It's like waffle knit. I don't really have many white hoodies. I have a shit ton of like hoodies in every other friggin' color, but not white. Does this look? This looks, oh, I look weird in vests. Hello. Oh, I got an eyelash on my arm. Where the hell did that come from? Has that been there the whole time and you guys didn't tell me? Did it fall off me? No, okay, we're good. I feel weird in vests. I feel like I'm on like a construction crew, like, hey guys, hey, or we're going on a boat. I don't know. It looks like a life jacket, doesn't it? All right, maybe I don't like this as much as I thought I did. I can't wait to look back in the footage and see if I had an eyelash on my arm the whole entire time and you guys didn't tell me. Thanks, appreciate it. North Face jacket that I want to keep for myself. Medium, super nice. Yes, I might keep it. These Current Elliott pants. They're size 29, just black distressed jeans. So that is it for this haul. If there's anything that you see in this video that you want to purchase, everything will be listed in my Poshmark closet by the time this video is up. I have other things. Maybe I'll make a part 2. I gotta look and see what else I've got, see if it's worth making a part 2. I don't know. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.